ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय आणवशाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पुरुषविद ब्राह्मण पेज नंबर 173 सिक्स्थ मंत्र। अथ इति अभ्यमन्थत् स मुखाच्च योनेर् हस्ताभ्यां च अग्निम् असृजत तस्मादेतत् उभयम् अलोमकम् अंतरतो अलोमका हि योनि अंतरतः तद यद इदम आहुः अमुम यज इति एकैकं देवम् एतस्यैव सा विसृष्टि रेषौ ह्येव सर्वे देवाः। अथ यत्किंच इदमार्द्रं तद्रेतसो असृजत तदु सोम एतावद्वा इदं सर्वं अन्नं चैव अन्नादश्च सोम एव अन्नम् अग्निरन्नादः सैषा ब्रह्मणो अतिसृष्टिः यच्छ्रेयसो देवान् असृजत अथ यन्मर्त्यः सन्नमृतान् असृजत तस्माद् अतिसृष्टिः अतिसृष्ट्यां अस्य एतस्यां भवति य एवं वेद। अथ इति this is to elaborate the expression. अथ इति अभ्यमन्थत्, he did mathanam. Abhyamanthat, amanthat is the kriya. Now, samukhat cha yoner hastabhyam cha agnim asrijata. Now he wanted to create, see we already saw in the previous one, all the varieties of pashu, pakshi, pipilikan, all that srishti is created. Now the devatas. So first is Agni. What are these devatas? What was the Visheshana given for devatas? You remember? You see, we saw the first line yesterday. Brahmanadi Varna Niyantrir Devata. Those devatas who are going to control the Varna. Brahmana will be controlled by one Agni Devata. Indra will be controlling Kshatriyas, like that. Their Devata Srishti needs to be created. So now Agni, from where it creates, in the mouth, he puts the hands. Who? Prajapati. As if it is a picturization. In the mouth, he puts the hand and he does mathanam. Mathanam is churning. This is the inner space is like the yoni. Mukhacha yone hai hastabhyam cha agnim hasrajat. From there he creates fire. Tasmat etat ubhayam alomakam. So therefore there are no hairs inside the mouth, there are no hairs in the palm. So the hairs probably got burned or that churning removed it. Alomakam antarataha, from inside. And how do you say? He says alomakahi yonihi antaratah. The genital organ of a woman, yoni, is also alomaka. There also there are no loma, means hairs. Tad yad idam ahuhu. So that sentence is over. That vichar is also complete there. Now later is slightly different. Ahuhu, ahuhu, ritvikaha, yagnikaha. Those who do yajna, they say amum yaja, worship this, etc. Iti ekaikam devam, each devata. So they consider each devata is different. Indra, Agni, Varuna, all of them are different. Etasyeva sa visrishtihi. There, this srishti is of that one Prajapati Devata alone. This Devata, that Devata. Because Prajapati is Sarva Devata Maya. All Devatas are there. He is the Adhidaiva Swarupa. Yesterday I explained this. Sa visrishtihi esha u hieva sarve devaha. अथ यत्किंच इदम आर्द्रम तद रेतसो असृजत. Yatkincha idam ardram, whatever is wet, all of that is created through the retas, in the virya of this Prajapati. What is that? Soma, this Chandrama. Tadu Soma. The scientists are wondering if there is water on the moon or not. They are looking for some water molecules. Here it is clearly given what is Ardram. Is born from Prajapati's Retas, and Soma. Soma means Chandrama. Chandrama has Ardrata, means wetness. Clearly given in the mantra. You don't need too many experiments. Etavadva idam sarvam annam. Etavadva idam sarvam annam. So all this is annam. And this is annadaha. Annancha eva annadascha. Annam atti iti annadaha. The one who consumes annam is called annadaha. Soma eva annam. Agnir annadaha. Soma is annam. Agni is annadaha. So Soma is consumed, experienced. Agni is experiencer, consumer. Saisa Brahmano Atisrishti. Sa Esha Brahmana. This is the Atisrishti of Hiranyagarbha. Here Brahmana means of Brahma. Why it is Atisrishti? Yat Shreyaso Devan Asrajata. Because he created the superior Devatas. Superior to what? Athayan Martyaha San Amritan Asrajata. Martyaha San means in the previous life he was Martya. He was a Yajmana, so he was mortal. In this life he creates Devatas, which are Amrita. So Martyaha San Amritan Asrajata. This is his Atisrishti. And he is the Srashta. Tasmad Atisrishtihi. Atisrishtyam ha asya etasyam bhavati ya evam veda. In this Atisrishti, if anybody meditates, does upasana, then he also will become that. Atisrishtyam ha asya etasyam srashta bhavati. Srashta means you have to understand. It is not given. And in Hindi, you see the translation, जो इस प्रकार जानता है वह इसकी इस अति सृष्टि में ही सृष्टा हो जाता है. सृष्टा you have to add. In the Moolam, Hindi translation is given in that. In the Moolam you see, जो वहाँ, हाँ, जो इस लास्ट सेंटेंस, जो इस प्रकार जानता है वह इसकी इस अति सृष्टि में ही सृष्टा हो जाता है. विच पेज यू आर लुकिंग? 175. से आई न्यू, सृष्टा हो जाता है. सी भाष्य नाम हो गया. भाष्य सेकंड लाइन, अथ इति. सेकंड लाइन मीन्स लास्ट लाइन ऑन दैट पेज. अथ इति शब्दद्वयम् अभिनय प्रदर्शनार्थम. टीका. आदौ अभ्यमन्थत् इति संबंधः. फर्स्ट ही डिड दिस मथनम. अभिनय प्रदर्शनम एव विशदयति. शब्दद्वयम् अभिनय प्रदर्शनार्थम संबंधः. स रिक्वायर्स अनुस्वार. संबंध. विशदयति, व्हाट इज द धातु? अभिनय प्रदर्शन एव विशदयति. Huh? Shashli, yesterday I gave. In this there is a sutra, Rudhadibhyah Shnam. Yesterday I gave this sutra? No, Rudhadibhyah Shnam. Shishli Visheshane is the dhatu. Shishli Visheshane, Rudhadi Gana dhatu, Parasmayapadi Sakarmaka Anit. Then sutra is Rudhadibhyah Shnam Vishadayati. V is Upasarga. अनेन प्रकारेण मुखे हस्तौ प्रक्षिप्य अभ्यमन्थत्. आभिमुख्येन मंथनम अकरोत्. So in this way he did mathanam. Mukham hastabhyam mathitva. Hastabhyam, with the help of the hands. Mukham mathitva. So mukhacha yonehe hastabhyam cha योनिभ्याम अग्निम ब्राह्मण जाते हे अनुग्रह कर्तारम असृजत सृष्टवान. From the mouth, after the rubbing of the hands and the interior of the mouth, he produced Agni, which is the anugraha karta for Brahmana jati. Brahmana jate he anugraha kartaram agnim asrujata srishtavan. टीका. मुखादेहे अग्निम प्रति योनित्वे गमकम आह. How mukhadi is the yoni of the Agni? भाष्य. यस्माद् दाहकस्य अग्नेः योनिः एतद् उभयं हस्तौ मुखं च, तस्माद् उभयम् अपि एतद् अलोमकं लोम विवर्जितम्. दाहकस्य अग्नेः, दिस दाहक अग्नि, अग्नेः योनिः एतद् उभयं. Hand is also the origin, mukham is also the origin. तस्माद् उभयम् अपि एतद् अलोमकम्. Therefore there are no loma, hairs on this hand and inside the mouth. प्रत्यक्ष विरोधम शंकित्वा दूषयति. Now there is some प्रत्यक्ष विरोध. किन सर्वमेव. Is it that, what is the pratyaksha virodha? On hand, outside there are hair, and you are saying there are no hair. So everywhere, on mouth also, outside there are enough hair. Kim sarvameva? Na. अंततो अभ्यंतरतः, न comma after न स्वल्प विराम. Not everywhere, only inside the mouth, inside the hands, means the palms, there are no hairs. हस्तयोः मुखे च योनि शब्द प्रयोगे निमित्तमः. Hasta, the two hands, and the mukham. In that yoni shabda prayoga, why it is done? So nimitta is given. Asti hi yonya samanyam ubhayasya asya. There is a similarity with the yoni and this hand and mouth. Therefore, yoni shabda prayoga is done. Kim means what is the samanyam? Alomaka hi yoni hi antarataha strinam. Strinam yoni hi antarataha alomaka. The woman's genital organ is also devoid of hair from inside. Tika. Prajapater mukhat itham agnihi srishtopi katham brahmanam anugrinhati tatra. Okay, so from Prajapati's mouth, Agni Utpatti is done. So this in Purush Suktam, etc. You will know Agni Utpatti is from Mukham and Brahmana Utpatti is also from Mukham. That's why they are Anugrahaka. They are not there. Agni is Anugrahaka for Brahmana. Prajapatehe Mukhad Itham Agnihi Srishtopi Katham Brahmanam Anugrihati Tatha Tatraha तथा ब्राह्मणोपि मुखादेव जज्ञे प्रजापतेः मुखादेव ब्राह्मणोपि जज्ञे जज्ञे जनि प्रादुर्भावे धातु इज देयर लिट जज्ञे जज्ञाते जज्ञीरे उक्ते अर्थे श्रुति स्मृति संवादम दर्शयति. नाउ इन दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट श्रुति स्मृति संवाद इज गिवन. संवाद means what? Agreement. Means Shruti and Smriti as Pramana, they don't have Virodha. They are saying the same thing what is said here. Visamvada would be Virodha. Tasmat ekayonitvat jyeshthena eva anujo anugrihyate agnina brahmanaha. They have ekayoni, means one origin. Agni also from Prajapati's mouth. Brahman also from Prajapati's mouth. Therefore, Agni is first, Brahmana is later. So Agni will be like elder brother. Brahmana will be younger brother. So Agni will do anugraha on Brahmana, like how elder brother protects younger brother in this way. That is this vakya. Ekayonitva jyeshthena eva anujo anugrihyate. In Krishna Yajurveda, Mukhad Indrashagnischa Pranad Vayura Jayata. In Purushuktam, it is given like this. Mukhad Indrashagnischa. But in Shukla Yajurveda, it is not like that. In Purushuktam, Indra is not from Mukha. Indra is from Hasta, Bahu. Because Indra is Kshatriya. Kshatriya Indra and Brahmana Agni, their Utpatti Sthanam is not one. So, this is the Bheda in Purusha Suktam, in Shukla Yajurveda Parayana and Krishna Yajurveda Parayana. Parayana means in the mantra. Did you hear what I said, online students?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes.
Okay, further. तस्माद् ब्राह्मणो अग्निदेवत्यो मुखवीर्यश्च इति श्रुति स्मृति सिद्धम्. तस्मात्, therefore, ब्राह्मणो अग्निदेवत्यो, अग्निदेवता is there, ब्राह्मणो अग्निदेवत्यो मुखवीर्यश्च इति श्रुति स्मृति सिद्धम्. देवत्य, there is yat pratyaya. देवतांता तादर्थ्ये यत, this is the sutra. देवतांतात तादर्थ्ये यत प्रत्यय. So देवत्य शब्द is formed. तादर्थ्य means in देवता अर्थ. So what is siddham? Brahmanah Agni Devatyah. Brahmana has Agni Devata and Mukha Virya. So Mukham Viryam Yasya Saha Mukha Virya Brahmanah. His Samarthya is Mukham. See the 6 number tippani, Tejah Samarthyam cha Viryam. And 5 number tippani says Brahmanasya Anugrahyatvat. So he does Anugraha, Agni does Anugraha on Brahmana. Tika Agneyo vai Brahmanaha ityadya Shrutis tadanusarini cha Smritir drashtavya. Agneyo vai Brahmanaha. Brahmana is with Agni Devata. In this way, Shruti and Tadanusarini Smriti, they are also there. Means you can find other Veda Vakyas also, and Smriti is also accordingly. So if the Veda mantras have Bheda, somewhere it is said it is this way, from the Srishti Krama is given, first Akasha, then Vayu, then Agni, Jal, Prithvi. Somewhere the Srishti Krama is only 3 Mahabhuta. Somewhere they will show everything together. Somewhere Tasmadetad Brahmanama Rupamannam cha jayate in Mundakopanishad. So when such differences are seen in one Upanishad to another Upanishad, one Veda mantra to another Veda mantra, or like this here that I pointed out, Indra Utpatti is from Prajapati's Mukham or from Bahu. So what does that indicate? That indicates Tatparya is not in this. Tatparya is to reveal Ajayamano Bahuda Vijayate. That which is unborn appears seemingly as being born. This is the Tatparya. This we should not forget. Further, Agnim Asrujata iti etad upalakshanartham iti abhipretya srishtyantaram aha. Agnim Asrujata. So he created Agni. This is the upalakshana. Upalakshanartham iti abhipretya now srishtyantaram. Anya srishtihi srishtyantaram aha. Tatha balashrayabhyam bahubhyam balabhidadikam क्षत्रिय जाति नियंतारं क्षत्रियंच बल आश्रयाभ्याम बाहुभ्याम. Now from bahu, see here in Upanishad it is clearly given. From the bahu, what is bahu? Balasya ashraya. Bala stays in bahu. That's why whenever somebody says, I want to know how strong, I am very strong, they will show bahu. They will not say, I am very strong. When they show this, understand he is not Kshatriya. I am very strong, means he is a Brahmana. Because his balam is here in buddhi. Balashrayabhyam bahubhyam balabhidadikam kshatriya jati niyantaram balabhidadikam balabhid shabda is there. Balabhid. From that balabhidadikam. But I will check and I will let you know tomorrow. Balabhidadikam kshatriya jati niyantaram. Kshatriya is given. Indra. See further. Kshatriyan cha. Tasmat Aindram Kshatram Bahuviryam cha iti Shrutau Smritau cha avagatam. Aindram Kshatram Bahuviryam. Kshatra Shabda is there in Kosha. From that, our usage is Kshatra, Kshatriya. You can do that. Achorahabhyam, they will also work. Usage is there, Kshatriya. Tika, Balabhid, see in Tika they have given. Balabhid is Indra. Balabhid is the name of Indra. Balabhid Adikam. Adi Shabdena Varunadir Grihyate. So Agni, Indra, Varuna, all of them. Kshatriyancha Asrujata iti Anuvartate. Indra and Kshatriya also he created. Kshatriya Jati is controlled by Indra. So Kshatriya should be like Indra. Uktam Artham Pramanena Dradhayati. This artha is shown, supported by Praman. Tasmat in Bhashya. Tasmad Indram Kshatram Bahuviryam Chaiti Shrutau Smrutau Chavagatam. Tika. इत्याद्य ही अवधेया च असृजत इति पूर्ववत्. विषम मीन्स वैश्य. भाष्य तथा इहाश्रयात् वस्वादि विशो नियंतारं विषंच यस्मात् तस्मात् कृष्यादि परो वस्वादि देवत्यश्च वैश्यः. Urutah, from the Uru, means from Bahubhyam Indraha, Mukhad Agnihi, and from the Urutah Tadvaishyaha, right, in Purushottam. So that is given. Iha Shrayat, Iha means Icha, desires. Uru is expression of desires. Vaswadi Lakshanam, Visho Niyantaram, the one who is controlling Vaishyas and Vaishyas also, Vishancha. Tasmat Krishyadi Paraha. Vaishyaha is the one who does Krishyadi Paraha. Krishi Gaurakshya Vanijyam. Vaishya Karma Swabhavajam. Vaswadi Devatyascha. Tika. Ihashrayat Uruto Jatat जातत्वं वस्वादेर ज्येष्ठत्वं च तच्छब्दार्थः. फ्रॉम इहाश्रयात् उरुतः जातत्वं वस्वादेः. वसुआदि, they are from the thighs of प्रजापति. ज्येष्ठ तच्छब्दार्थः. तस्मात् is there, that is the tat shabdartha. तस्मात् कृष्यादि पर. So he is Jyeshtha. Jyeshtha means those devatas from the thighs, they are the Jyeshtha in this way. And then Padvyam Shudro Ajayata, that will be next one. Padvyam Shudro Ajayata ityada तथा विदाच स्मृति ही अनुसर्तव्या. Accordingly, Shruti are also there. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय मूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.